Here is the app Picsify AI powered photo editor. So yeah, let's just try to install it and see how it works, what this app is about. We are a team who loves to share the fun of life, enjoy innovation and image editing, and look for you with the same needs. Picsify provides a variety of creative sticker materials, exclusive filters, pet cartoons, and other editing tools to meet the needs of various picture editing. Forget the business and troubles of work for the time being and immerse yourself in the wonderful content. So yeah, this is one of these, AI editing apps where you just edit your hair, you can whiten your teeth, you can generate your AI portrait, cartoon your peak. So yeah, just all of kind of filters. There are a bunch of apps in this category, and this, yeah, to be honest, this is not the top app, and you should be careful which app you use. But sometimes all these kind of apps have some deals, so you can just explore those. There are also all of these ads, as you can see here, and then it just says it instantly asks me to upgrade, which is quite sketchy, like $20 per month, whatever. I didn't even click anywhere, but yeah, whatever. And then here you can just see AI portrait, AI hair salon, AI cartoon face, time tunnel, where you can just explore how would you look like in different ages. And then, for example, if I just select the photo, then you can see, for example, this is like different ages which you can test, and it's yeah, it starts from different and then yeah, unfortunately there are also all these annoying ads here in the free version, and a lot of the features are kind of locked up under pro subscription. So yeah, but there is a 3-day free trial which you can try, so you also have that. So yeah, and then you have all these additional AI filters here, so yeah, give it a try.